Hello, everybody. Just waiting for YouTube to get started here. We have now liftoff on good old YouTube. So we're going to talk about this week's market calls. Let me just make sure. I guess. Hello, everybody. Shut myself up. As what it's looking like now, it is Sunday, 11 o'clock p.m. my time. It's standard time, April 18th, Sunday. So this is what it looks like on Yahoo here. The futures for the US are all down, with the exception of NASDAQ slightly up. Crude oil's down, gold is down. I'm also looking at forex, Euro USD. 10-year bond is up 2.8%. VIX is up fairly low. Pound against USD, pound against yen is down. Bitcoin, you can see those big drops we talked about before. Bitcoin, CMC, FTSE's up slightly, 0.5%, and Nikkei is up a little bit by a third or a quarter percent, let's say. Okay, so that's that. Also, before we continue, don't forget, if you want to know everything what I do, just join my email list here at quantlabs.net. Get some free trading, secret PDFs as well. And don't forget, if you want to know more about my crypto research, just join quantlabs.net/DVD. Lifetime membership here by clicking that guy. All right, so let's continue along using MotiveWave here. I'm only going to show you the ones that really matter. A lot of these crypto, this one matters because it's in US dollars, Australian USD. You can see here it's still long, that's okay. The other one that matters is this one, pound against the USD as well. That's a long. There's some ones that are performing, but at the end of the day, they don't really add up to much. USD, Canada, short. And here's some of the safe havens. So I know that these are potentially reversing. I don't know. Maybe just now, but we don't know until the U.S. markets open up. We've got a short here on USD Swiss franc, as well as our classic safe haven here is Norway with a long USD Norway, and also a short though on the US Denmark. And I'm starting to somewhat pay attention to the USD Mexico peso. And again, how do I know the market safe havens are kicking in? Because we've got gold. So here we have gold in Canadian. It's on the move up, trending up, and that's since April. That's March 31st. We've got a trend here happening with a long in play. Again, that's gold in Swiss franc, gold in euro, gold in Australia. That's pretty strong as well. Again, we have a silver now, silver and Canadian along there. And we have two longs for gold, silver and Swiss franc, silver, euro, silver, good one there for silver, pound, silver and Hong Kong, two of those, more longs. So we know that the safe havens potentially are here when you're seeing these, supposedly. Gold and, silver and yen, silver in New Zealand, silver, two of those in Singapore, and the one out of all of them that are missing, again, US dollar, out of all of those for both silver and gold. So that just tells you and confirms that nobody wants to hold US dollar from an international point of view. So let me just continue along, because euro, pound had a nice peak here again, the end of April. Now it's in decline. So there's two of those. We got two shorts there. Another one to watch for, another safe haven is a short that's been in decline. Euro in Sweden. Another one that really matters, and this shows maybe Asia's on its way up, is Hong Kong 33. All right, I'm not going to move into these, but another one to watch maybe is Taiwan. Short there, but it's been trending up, not compared to the US. But here we have some US equities as well. The 30-year leading there with some longs. Another one to watch is the USD China Yuan, got a short. That's in decline. I think it's just due to the fact there's more potential rises of virus cases in China. US 5-year longs to them. 10 years, same thing. And again, we have another USD Canadian short there, USD Swiss franc short there. So that washes out the ones that look like longs. Some of these other ones in Denmark and Mexico. But let's see how, yeah, but you see, you get a second one with Norway. So that's a classic safe haven right there, the iLook. WTI, it's got a long, so I think oil is looking good. Soybeans definitely on some form of trend, but even if it hits this big bar here, this drops back. So maybe got very happy with soybean as well. So going through some less important pairs. Pound is not doing too good by looking at it. Here's one that I like to watch is the copper. We got a short there. That doesn't mean anything yet. Now that's our last excellent score. Now we're moving into very good. This one, Australia, New Zealand's got a short. More Australia, Swiss franc short, 3 right there. We got one long, but we've got a couple of Brent crude long and one short. And again, we have a third call for US Norway. So that's what's making me think we have a long there. Also, we have some gold, Hong Kong gold, and Japan yen, long and short there. Silver, more of those. 3 now for silver in Canada, silver in Australia. 2 more for Australia, Canada. And then silver, 2 more for silver in the franc. 1 more for the silver and pound, and 1 for silver in New Zealand. So it says it all. And again, we're not seeing silver and USD. Okay, there's an important one. China, it's got a long, but it's been in decline, been in range bound since 3rd week of March. Starting to maybe move up, I don't know, but it doesn't mean a whole lot. But it's definitely got a long, so maybe that just might be the case. Here we have some more euro. Again, nobody wants to hold euro because we're not seeing euro either. No different than US dollar. Euro, Swiss franc, more shorts. And we got here 3. 2 out of 3 are short. Here's a euro and Norway. That's a long, so it confirms my theory. And then we have Japanese 225, long, slight long, short. Another short, so the markets are not looking good. So there's, well, it's two out of 4 short Japanese yen or Japanese 225. Thailand, long. Well, 1 short. That's not bad. We have a Russell. That's a long there. That's probably one of the only markets you get, and it's possible. Players in the equity market might be where to invest if you're an equity trader or stock trader. 30-year, 2 longs there. That's not too bad. Long on the 5-year, 2 of those. Another long on the USD Norway. So that shows you that weakness may be coming back. WTI, more of those. Now we're getting some shorts in WTI. Brent crude, 1 short, 1 long, washes it out. Natural gas, we get a long. And let's see what else we got here. More copper in US, long, short. So I don't know what to say. This is the last one, platinum, long, on a short. So majority, you would think there's more shorts, safe havens that are in play now, as opposed to US markets. So hopefully I'll help you out. Thanks for watching.